everybody, this is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today I've got one I found locally at our 99 Ranch Market over in Edmonds, Washington. This is Whaley with their super spicy hot pot flavor premium. Let's do this. Actually, I've got one over here. Don't I? Don't I? I do. So what you do, if you want to do it, you can steep it or you can cook it. I prefer to go with the cooking way. So you drop in your noodles in 500 mils of water. Drop in your sachets. Woo, we got a dry one. Smells spicy. Ooh, it's pretty red. I like that. Somebody was asking me if, what was it? If like the way food looks is all that important. They were talking about, well, you do all this plating and stuff. Is it really change the flavor of it? I'm like, no. But it makes it more appetizing. It's like, I try in my limited education on how to do such things, I try to make stuff look in a way that makes people kind of like lust after it. I try to make, you know, things like, you know, I like to do runny eggs, I like to do chashu that looks just all sorts of yummy. And yeah, it's like, ooh, that looks good, I want to try that. I try to do that with every product. I mean, I've got some pictures of noodles that I really don't like, that if you look at it, you're just like, oh man, I bet that's good. It's like, oh no, this is not good. But at least in my opinion. Yeah, I think how food looks can definitely. My logic was that. Oh, I hate this trap. That's better. I think with food, you could have like the most delightful dish in the world, and then you could like find a way to make it look like a turd, like literally, like poop. And would you want to eat it? Oh my god, that looks like poop. But it could just taste exactly the same as if it was presented differently. So the eyes are definitely, whoa, no. The last one was 7 minutes, this is 3 minutes. The last requiem for a kitchen timer that decided to go rogue. I think, I won't blame it. This timer has been all right. This was from Amazon. This is a Renwayne kitchen timer, very basic. I got a KitchenAid one coming. That was pretty cheap. Hopefully that works well. But this one, I wouldn't blame it on the timer itself for getting all jacked up. It's got new batteries in it. I change the batteries out regularly. But it just kind of goes, and then all of a sudden it'll turn off mid-cook, which is unhelpful. But it's a magnetic one, and my big dumb head bumps into it enough times and it falls onto the stove and goes bonk. So I think it's ready to go to the get the retirement. But I'll put it over there with my collection of retired kitchen cooking timers. I'm a weirdo, I know. I won't debate that. So, ooh, package will be arriving soon from Indonesia. That's exciting. What did we do this weekend? So, we were talking about it, and it's just like, my wife, Kit, she's like, you know, so the kids had cribs, but they converted into day beds. And it's like, My son's 6. It's time to upgrade, and we had a twin bed in their room too, but we basically just like sat on it. And so it was like, okay, it's time. So I went and dismantled. It's so much easier to dismantle a crib slash daybed than to put one together. And that was the first one, was his, that I had put together. And it was kind of neat, you know? It's like, wow. A lot of memories and stuff. It's like when we first put him in there, it was like he was getting like set in the middle of like a high school gymnasium. I mean, it was so freaking huge. And he was so tiny, but now he's not, and it is not so small. So we got rid of that. I had to make a bunch of trips out to the trash and, you know, all the parts. And then set up the bed, and that's pretty rad. He's all decked out now, so that's cool. Growing up. Yeah. I tell ya, it is such an important, amazing part of being a human being to spawn your own human being. I highly recommend it. Highly recommend it. Whoa. Yeah, that was cool. And then we went out to the park yesterday, let the kids get their yayas out and run around, and let's give this a try. The noodle is very soft. Broth, oily, dark. I'm running out of time. I definitely need stuff. I don't know what I think about that one at this point. It's kind of, it seems like it's missing something. Ooh. What that something is, I'm not sure. Here we are. Okay, what am I gonna do to this? I'm gonna egg it up. I'm gonna egg it on. So the kitchen timer getting replaced really came to a head last night because my wife was making the really nice eggs and it died midway through. She's like, oh no. I'm like, what? She's like, I don't know how long these eggs have been going for. They might end up a little more done than usual. And indeed they did. They're not bad. They're still eggs. They're not scuttled. They're just more hard-boiled. But that soft yolk, that's what I like. That's what we shoot for. Jeez. Boom, 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 boom. Crushed red pepper. Use some of these black sesame seeds. garlic. Where is it? Where's our crushed? No, don't fall on the floor. There's our crispy garlic. I'll throw a bit of this in there. That sounds good. Alright. A little rotato time. Alright, do it. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Next one we got is one from that came out of a Zen Pop box. Go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount. Check it out, a Pokemon variety. This is from Sapporo Ichiban out of Japan. So yeah, that's what you'll see tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye!